Hey, what's up guys, it's a Rugsmither back again with another rug tufting video, and this time I was asked to do a Liverpool football badge. This was actually before Christmas, it was a Christmas present for someone's family. The Kellys, which you'll see on the bottom, which I put into the reef there, and yeah, it was a real challenge, this rug. You know, there was a lot of detail, a lot of movement, and you know, unusual shapes and sides and things that you've got to go in, which is difficult with a cut pile gun because, you know, the fibers push outwards, so it's always going to be a little bit of a challenge getting that detail really to stand out, which is why I guess a lot of people use carving shears. Carve around each, you know, line individually, and then, you know, give them all a bit of space and separation, which is something I'll be looking into getting next. For this one, I just sort of used the razors and like went over the letters, which worked, but I think in places I trimmed it down a bit too much, so when it came to the actual end shearing, yeah, some of the layers were a bit, you know, mismatched, but only slightly. Like, I am happy with this rug. It was just a massive challenge, and it's by no means perfect, but I'm glad I did it, and they really liked it. They were happy with it, so yeah, what more could I ask for? And it's improved me again, so like next time I'll know, you know, better what to do. And in context with everything else like on the rug, the letterings do look quite good. They're a bit wonky, especially on the bottom bit, but once you give it a bit of a brush and cleaned it up, it looked a lot better. Quite a large rug this as well, about, I want to say just over 4 foot by about 3 foot wide, because that frame's like 3.5 foot wide by like 5 foot, 5 or 6 foot tall. So yeah, it's about 4 and a bit, and then 3 on the side, so it's quite a large piece. Because I did tell them, I said there's no, well, I wouldn't say there's no way, but I didn't feel comfortable making it much smaller, especially when they wanted all the writing in, because it just, you know, a lot of it would just get lost in the fibers. Folding in the edges. Waterfall fold, I believe. Well, that's what some people call it, like a waterfall finish, where you just fold it in over the edge. I want to try like maybe a different type of finish next time, because again, I'm using the burlap on the back, but now I've got some better sort of backing material which looks a lot nicer. Some black. It's the underlay that goes underneath sofas and things, that sort of black fabric there, and it seems pretty durable, especially once it's stuck down to the rug, and it looks a lot better. So you'll see that in the next video. But yeah, for this one I just used the burlap again, which does the trick. It's pretty sturdy as well, and once I trim it off and then tape around the seams, it doesn't look too bad. You're never going to see that side anyway, but yeah, this stuff looks a lot better, so you'll see that next time around. The real hard one to get as symmetrical as possible as well. Give it a good stamp, as always. And then yeah, onto the shearing. See, in context it looks alright, I think. You know what it's saying, and you know what it's supposed to be, like on the actual badge, so I think it's close enough. Looks good, I think. I'll be doing the letters first before anything else next time, just so that I can make sure that they're entirely perfect before continuing the process. Yeah, and then just try to neaten up each of the lines, give it a bit of a brush, separate them all, make it a bit neater. And yeah, that was it. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. See you in the next one.